Hello guys! Today this video brings you the full process and how you can create a new user account in Kali Linux by using root privileges. First, log into your Kali account by giving your default username and password, simple Kali. Then, once you open your Kali terminal, then type the commands as I do. Type who am I, press enter. Type pwd, press enter. Type sudo space su, press enter. Type your default password, simple Kali, press enter. Type add user space and your new username. Press enter. Type your new password. Example, I typed Thiwa as my username, so my password is simple Thiwa. After entering the password, then retype the password for verification. Here you are unable to see the password due to security reasons, and that's why Linux used as a secure hacking operating system. Type Y to proceed. Type usermod space dash simple A space dash capital G space sudo space your new username. Type CHSH space dash S space slash bin slash bash space your new username. Now click the topmost right corner logout icon and log out of the Kali account. Now type your new username and password, which is, in my case, Thiwa. Okay, now we have successfully logged into our newly created user account in Kali Linux using root privileges. If you learned something from this video, drop a comment which is useful to me in bringing more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit that bell icon and stay in touch to get notified as soon as I upload interesting videos like this. See you in another cool video like this. Until then, stay tuned.